What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing a fun experiment. Welcome back to Kids Fun Creative Minds. Today we're going to be doing a fun experiment. I hope you had a lot of fun from your last few days. I know I did from the last experiment we did. If you haven't already watched that, that's in the description box below.
So today's experiment, you need a bag and water and pencils.
First, guys, these pencils are very sharp. Remember to grab an adult before you start this experiment.
So let's get started.
In this experiment, you can get water from a measuring cup or straight from the sink.
I think I got too wet. I won't be able to close it if it's too full. Well, we all learn from our mistakes.
Stop.
Yeah, you know, please, true.
So now that we got our water in our bag, and we have a bowl right here, so then when the water drips, it won't make a mess. So we're gonna get the pencil and
Poke and poke it! Poke
ta-da!
Ta-da!
Now we continue like so.
Four. So far I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Is it dripping? Lift your bag, let's see.
So far I have 7 pencils in mine.
Dripping now.
1, 2, 3.
No!
so far right here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 pencils, and it's still not dripping.
Woohoo!
So
How is that going?
So I poked it, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Ooh, that's awesome. Yours looks like the water is down there. But you did well.
But I still have it, and it's no more
Uh-huh.
dripping.
Three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna add more so it bursts up.
That's interesting. Whoops!
There's still water in there. There's so much in this. I do not know how much I have, but this is really fun. You should try it at home. Remember, just grab a parent and get your supplies, and then you can do this experiment.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell, give us a thumbs up, and subscribe. Thank you. Don't forget to watch our other video. Bye.